Alright guys, hope you guys are having a great summer, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel again today. Today we're going to talk about tryout tips. Tryouts are coming up for a lot of the clubs at least in the Baltimore area. I'm assuming it's similar to different areas throughout the country, but tryouts are coming up for club teams, for high school teams, and I thought this would be a great time to give you 3 easy tips to remember while you're trying out. Before tryouts, during tryouts, and after tryouts. So, Taylor's tryout tips and Zena's. Hi. Before tryouts, really important that you are eating correctly, that you get a great night's sleep, that you carb up the night before or 2 nights before, depending on how your body takes it, and that you're just you're getting mentally in the zone. So, you know, think back to what I talked about in my previous videos about pregame mental toughness and what you think mentally. The same can apply for tryouts. So make sure, you know, you're visualizing yourself doing well. You're visualizing how you're going to react if you make a mistake, the plays you're going to make, and what you can do to better your team and your teammates. I know tryouts are individual and sometimes everyone's out for themselves, but I promise you, if you are a good teammate and actually work to make others around you better, that's going to help you in the long run with making whatever team you're trying out for. So it's important the night before to visualize yourself doing that. Get a good night's sleep, relax, have fun. All right, during tryouts. So during tryouts is usually when the nerves kick in. First couple plays, you know, they're probably not the greatest ones you've ever done because you're nervous. And that's okay. Everyone's nervous. It takes a little while to get the jitters out. It's really important that during tryouts you have a short memory. You focus on what you've done positively, not negatively. If you screw up, that's okay. That's what's going to happen. How you react and what your coaches are going to watch for is what you do the next play. So make sure you don't repeat the same mistake again and again, but you learn from it, move on, and then just have a positive attitude. Work to get the ball back, talk with your teammates, and really just make yourself one part of the team that's doing the greatest amount of good to get the team to where they need to be. Again, I know tryouts are supposed to be individual, but a lot of what you're going to be doing is team concept, because that's what coaches ultimately want, is a great team. So anything you can do to kind of, as an individual, make yourself stand out, but make the team you're on stand out, is going to help you twofold. And have fun. Tryouts are supposed to be fun. You're playing lacrosse. You're having a great time with your friends. Just enjoy it and think about the fun that you're having, not necessarily what you're working towards. And lastly, after tryouts, go eat some good food. Go eat something that, you know, makes you happy. Go relax. Go watch a movie. Hang out with your friends. Go to the pool. I think it's really important that you rest and recover and foam roll. But it's also important that you kind of shut your mind off and mentally recover. You know, tryouts are nerve-wracking. You get yourselves worked up. I know I did. So it's good for you to rest and recover and have fun. All right, guys, those are 3 easy tips on what to do during tryouts, before, during, and after. Make sure before you're resting up, you're mentally focused, you're visualizing yourself doing incredibly well at tryouts. During tryouts, you're having fun, you're letting loose. If you make a mistake, brush it off, move on to the next play. And afterwards, rest up, relax, go eat some good food, and shut off your brain, because the worrying and the nerves, if you continue to wait for the results and get yourself worked up, that's only gonna hurt you. So, all right, Zena says it's a wrap. So, bye guys. Good luck.